My name is Mary Beck. I am an emeritus professor of clinical law at the University of Missouri. I have been directing the family violence program here at MU Law for 25 years. It includes 2 courses in which students enroll. In the seminar, students write papers for publication and have published over 60 of those papers advancing issues related to abuse victims. In the clinic,
I went to law school to help out those who need it, and this clinic serves such a group of people, very, very poor people who need this kind of help.
I think the Family Violence Clinic enjoys a national reputation. It's really a high visibility clinic where students advance solutions under the law, and I think it does every alumni proud that this clinic operates the way it does, with such dedicated students and such hard luck clients.
Well, personally, I chose to work in the Family Violence Clinic because I wanted to make an impact in someone's lives who really needed it. I worked on an amicus petition for certiorari for the United States Supreme Court.
An amicus brief is essentially briefs that go in support of one of the parties, so they're not affiliated directly on behalf of one of the parties, the plaintiff or the defendant, but oftentimes they can be a make it or break it situation when the court is deciding whether to hear a case or not, because it has full discretion to do so. So the fact that we wrote this could have been really powerful. If the court was on the fence about hearing the case, they would read this amicus brief and they would see kind of an outsider's perspective, a third-party perspective.
There's not a class on the areas of law we were working with, so it was an opportunity to really dive into an area of law we probably wouldn't have learned about in law school.
There's lots of reasons why you want to be published as a student. Of course, it looks good on resumes and to employers, and it shows you have good writing skills.
Being able to publish your work as a student, it does allow you to contribute to a larger body of legal scholarship.
It really helps people get practical experience, and I truly think that everyone that has gone through the clinic will be a better lawyer in the future, whether or not they continue to do family violence work.
I think the legal community should be excited about financially supporting the clinic because you're investing in the future of the legal community.
So it is a privilege to be able to serve people who have no means, could never afford this kind of legal assistance, and to do something really worthwhile for people who have been victimized or are unfortunate, marginalized by society. It's just a privilege.